Okay, now I am going to explain how to moderate marks of class 11 and 12 to finalize the class 12 theory marks. Okay, first of all, you have to log in. After that, we have to go for the subject wise moderation. In the subject wise moderation, you have to select certain subject, right? For example, in this example, they gave the economics is the one of the subject. Economics is the subject. The total strength is 23. The reference mean is 48.27. How they gave this reference mean? This is the last 3 years highest performance. Based on the last 3 years result, the best average, subject average is considered as reference mean, that is 48.27. But this is the last 3 years best result subject average in economics subject. When but the CBSE gave one chance that to increase the subject average by 5. Subject average by 5. Then at that moment the new subject average will become 53.27. This is according to the last year, right? And after that it 5 extra permissible, that's why the subject average now it will become 53.27. That means your subject average never increase 53.27. Okay, right. Now what is this E total mass they are displacing, right? First one is the total strength, second one is the reference mean. Reference means what? Based on the historical data, right? Last 3 years the best subject average is this one. After that plus 5 subject average you can increase by 5, right? That is permissible by the CBSE. Then we got the new permissible reference mean is 53.27. For 23 members, if you multiply this subject average, right, you will get the total marks as 1225.21, right? This is the total marks, that is the reference. That means the total marks of all students never increase by this according to this example, but in your school based on the your strength and based on your subject average it will be differ. And now next go for the raw mean. What is this raw mean? Raw mean means that you already the CBSE collected the 10th class data and 11th 12th from you, then after that it calculated the raw mean from the marks that you produced, and it is that we are updated in the CBSE. That is the raw mean. That means till now whatever that we entered, that subject average is 48.26. Now based on this, if you will calculate the 23 members, this is the raw mean. Raw means the CBSE is giving the marks, okay, based on the 10th 11 12, and for that if you will find out the average, and then you will get the 48.26. And next you see for the 23 members, if you multiply with the 48.26, we will get the 1108 here. This is the total marks that are the raw marks. Raw marks means that we entered already in the CBSE site. Okay, right. Now what is this? Now next they are asking permissible moderation. What is this permissible moderation? Permissible moderation means we can do the moderation. CBSE is asking to keep your marks up to maximum 1 to 2.5, 1225.21. But till now you gave marks according to the 10th 11th 12, you gave only 1110. That means you can add some more marks according to the reference. When you compare with the reference old historical result and permissible result, then your updated marks is less. Then you can add some marks, right? 1 to 25, how many marks you can add, right? 1 to 25.21, that is E. Total permissible is this one, but you entered according to your class 10 11 12 marks is 1110. When you subtract this, we will get as 115.21. That means in this economics the permissible marks is 1225, but till now the student obtained marks is 3110. You can raise the marks of the students by 115. This is the maximum that you can raise by 115. Okay, this is plus 5 subject average you can increase in one subject. Okay, then after that you can increase. For example, already your permissible marks is reference mean is less, and permissible marks is less, but reference marks is less, but you entered marks is more. At the moment you have to decrease the marks. In this case you have to increase the marks. It may be increase or decrease based on your condition. Okay, let's see this one. 115 reference mean is 48. One important point you should remember it here. The reference mean is 48.27. Reference mean is 48.27. But here raw mean means the mean produced by the CBSE for this year result. Okay, this mean is nearly matched with the 48.27. But due to exemption of the 5, right? Then that's where you can increase the marks by 115, right? If you see here, but orally one subject we can go for the if you increase the 5 subject average, if you increase the subject average by 5 in each subject, then at that moment total overall result also increased by 5%. Overall result subject average also increased by 5, but the overall result should be permissible only plus 2 or minus 2, not more than this. That means overall subject should have average should be increased by only 2. That will be obtained only when it is possible. Plus 2 overall subject average, how you should increase? If you increase subject average in every subject by 5, at that moment the overall subject average also increases by 5, but it should not be. Overall subject average should increase it by only 2 or decrease by 2. For the purpose what we have to do it here, then generally we can increase only by 2. Further what we have to do, for every subject average raw mean, the reference mean is they gave reference mean, right? Reference mean is that is the based on the historical data, right? That is in that example they gave 48.27. You can increase this subject average plus 2, okay, for this subject, then it will become 50.27. Like this in every subject if you will increase by 2, then in overall result also subject average increased by 2, then that is permissible. For example, if you will for every subject, if the subject average 5 if you increase, then the overall subject average is increased by overall in the overall result subject average increased by total average is increased by 5, but it is not permissible. That's why individually the you can increase by only 2 from the reference mean, not 5. If you will increase the 5, for example, sometimes it is possible in one subject you can increase by 1 only. In other subject you may increase. In every subject if you will increase the 2, automatically subject average overall subject average also increases by 2. But in one subject you can increase the 1, in another subject you can increase the 3, in another subject you can 0, and overall you can increase the subject average by only 2, right? For that the maximum permissible is 5 they give. That means for example we are not giving that one subject for the one subject we are giving the 5, other subject we are giving the 0, right? Extra then we can get the average as 2. It is better to increase the subject average of each subject by 2 from the reference mean. Then at that moment every subject average will be increased by only 2, then overall also increased by 2. Okay, let us go for the down and how we can correct. You see here, if you see one member result from the 10th class, some marks came 15, from the 11th class 11, from the 12th class 14. If you add all of them, then we are getting the 40, right? Then moderation, maximum permissible moderation is 31 marks. Then you can give any one marks, any marks, but the increase or decrease, the total maximum permissible is only 115, right? And based on the students performance and based on the observation, you may increase by 1 or 2, anything you can increase. If you will increase by 1 mark, then the total marks you will get as 41, right? If like this, then for this practical marks also added. Then for example, if the practical marks is 25, then automatically in the grand total it will display as 66, like this, right? If you go for the down, after completion of the individual moderation, then for every subject, if the moderation is completed, then check the overall moderation. You see the overall moderation reference table. Here it is displaying that overall moderation subject average is 53, but it is allowing only 2, right? For every subject, if you will increase by 5, then the total overall subject average also increased by 5, but it is not permissible. Permissible increase in overall subject average is overall mean is only 2. That's why you have to increase. It's better to increase subject average by 2 for every subject. For every subject you can increase the subject average by 2. That means you can go for the historical highest performance result, that is the reference mean, that is the 48.27, and for that you can add the plus 2, or in your reference mean, if other is there, then according to your subject and your school, you can select the another reference mean, and then you can increase every subject. If you will increase the 2 subject average, then overall result also increases. Then what happens after completion of the subject wise, then you see the reference table, and like this it will be displaces, and overall result it will comes. And you can also do the once again moderation if it not following the 2% overall average should be increased by only 2, right? And if it is increased by more, then again you have to do the moderation. This is the overall moderation. Okay, this is after that completion of the overall moderation. And you can also see the historical performance. Your percentage should be 95% above how many students are there, 96 above how many students are there, and then you can check, and later you can go for the final submission. Okay, the conclusion is that first you can go for the subject moderation, then after that you can save every time, and then after that you can go for the overall moderation. After overall moderation you can go for the final submission. The keep in point that each subject moderation, in the each subject moderation, the permissible increase in subject average is 5, but the overall permissible subject average increase in subject average is only 2. That's why it's better to increase the subject average by only 2, then the total subject average total overall mean also increased by 2. Okay, and thank you to all, and read the instructions carefully, and after that you can follow the procedure. Thank you.